I invite Dr. Suchita Ninave, Senior Advisor and Scientist at DBT, to formally welcome the August gathering.
आदरणीय माननीय मंत्री जी, डीबीटी सचिव और आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Very good morning to all. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this very special occasion, the dedication of the Ummeed Network to the nation. On behalf of the Department of Biotechnology, I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Minister, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, for sparing his valuable time to grace this occasion. Sir, you have always encouraged transformative scientific initiatives for the nation, and Ummeed is one such initiative where science is directly touching the public lives. I also welcome Dr. Rajesh S. Gokhale, Secretary DBT and DG BRIC, whose leadership continuously inspires us to strengthen science-driven healthcare for the people of our nation. I also extend my special welcome to Dr. Madhulika Kabra and Dr. Ashwin Dalal for their invaluable contributions and continuous efforts in implementation of the Ummeed program. I welcome all the government officials, NHM representatives, heads of institutions, members of the Ummeed network, medical and scientific fraternity, media personnel, my colleagues from DBT, and all present here and through online mode. Your presence reflects our collective national commitment towards improving genetic healthcare in India. हम सभी जानते हैं कि जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स अक्सर वर्षों तक अनडायग्नोस्ड रह जाते हैं या उनका डायग्नोसिस बहुत देर से होता है, और जब डायग्नोसिस हो भी जाता है तो उसके बाद कई जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर में ट्रीटमेंट या तो उपलब्ध नहीं है या फिर इतना कॉस्टली होता है कि सामान्य परिवारों के लिए उसे अफोर्ड करना बहुत कठिन हो जाता है. इसका प्रभाव केवल पेशेंट्स पर नहीं बल्कि पूरे परिवार पर पड़ता है, इमोशनली, मेडिकली एंड फाइनेंशियली. अल्टीमेटली द इफेक्टिव मैनेजमेंट ऑफ रेयर डिसऑर्डर्स relies heavily on prevention. Through Ummeed, we have attempted to address these ground level issues by integrating maternal and newborn screening, advanced genetic diagnosis, counseling, clinicians training, and public health outreach under one coordinated national framework. Ummeed initiative का उद्देश्य है साइंस फॉर सोसाइटी एंड साइंस फॉर पब्लिक गुड. यह पहल हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विजन सबका साथ सबका विकास की भावना को भी साकार करती है, जहां एडवांस साइंस का लाभ समाज के हर वर्ग और हर परिवार तक पहुंचे. We have completed phase 1 projects, and the encouraging achievements of phase 1 have now enabled expansion of this initiative across the country, covering 22 states and UTs. This reflects the vision of preventive, predictive, and inclusive healthcare, strongly aligned with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 of our country. I sincerely acknowledge the tireless efforts of all scientists, clinicians, healthcare workers, counselors, partner institutions, and program teams whose dedication has made this national initiative possible. Before I conclude, I would like to say this from my heart. Ummeed is not just the name of a program. Ummeed is the hope of parents waiting for answers. Ummeed is the hope of newborns deserving healthy lives. Ummeed is the hope of early intervention, dignity, and care. And Ummeed is the hope of building a healthier India for generations to come. For many families, the journey of a rare and inherited disorder begins with uncertainty, fear, and helplessness. Through initiatives like Ummeed, we aspire to replace that fear with awareness, that uncertainty with diagnosis, and that helplessness with hope. उम्मीद से उम्मीद है. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to all of you and thank you for being part of this national mission. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.